This is a RadioROM tutorial on how to generate a ROM for a public safety DAS. Also, if this video looks blurry, please set your video quality to HD and full screen. We'll select Public Safety to begin. We'll enter a project name. For building characteristics, we'll select Medium. And for now, we'll select 300,000 square feet. The last thing to do here is set your channel count and design goal, which you can do manually, or you can click the preset. What this does is it finds the worst case band to base your ROM off of in step 2. In this case, 800 megahertz at 25 channels to a neg95 RSSI is the worst case band. Let's go to step 2 now. We'll select coax to the antenna, 2 watts of power, and we'll click Generate ROM. Now with public safety frequencies, you can cover a large potential area, but I chose a 300,000 square foot building to show what happens when the remote cutoff comes into play, because often you can't utilize the full potential of a unit due to cable paths, etc. 200,000 square feet is the default cutoff, but you can set that to your preference. Let's click Yes. And since that utilized the cutoff, for a 300,000 square foot coverage objective, we now need 2 fiber remotes or 2 repeaters. Let's go back and set our building to 100,000 square feet to keep things simple. We'll click Generate ROM again. And now you can see we have 14 antennas and 1 remote or 1 repeater. So those quantities are going to show up on the BOM tab in step 3. You can see here we have our 14 antennas and 1 remote or 1 repeater. So what we want to do is select a template, 700/800 2-watt repeater, which matches our ROM. And we'll click Generate BOM. And what this does is it takes the reference material, runs it through the template rules, and it generates a BOM for you. This is based off a $100 labor rate an hour. Let's say we want to change that to 65. We simply regenerate the BOM, and the change is captured. Once everything looks good, simply click Export to Excel, and that's going to save your ROM locally. We'll click Yes to open. And of course, you can set RadioROM to use your own company logo. And since the output is in Excel format, you can add or remove any last-minute details before shipping it to your customer. And it's pre-formatted to print to PDF as shown. That's all. Thanks for watching.